Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to get YouTube video link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get the YouTube video link, first we'll be required to open the YouTube ad itself, and from over here guys, let's head out to the video or the channel from which you want to get the video link, and let's go. And over here guys, let's play one of these. And over here guys, in order to get the YouTube video link, first you can see after opening that video there are a bunch of buttons available for us. Over here you will be required to tap on the share button available for us just beside the remix. Tap on that share button, and here it says guys, when this menu pops out on your screen, there is the copy link option available for us. Tap on that copy link and you will be able to paste that link wherever you want. So for example, I'll be just pasting it on the messaging section of my phone. So I'll be just creating a new message, and over here guys, you'll be required to tap and hold it on the screen and the paste option will appear, and when you paste it, your YouTube video link is over here. And this is how you get your YouTube video link. And there guys, this is how to get your YouTube video link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.